Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna be playing Cops and Robbers. So it's nearly like in land, as you can see in the background, but I'm gonna type airplanes battle because that was when I was playing this. So this is my profile. Look, that's my Psycho Robot. I have the Christmas AK-47. Let me see it. AK-47. This one. And here, we're just gonna play team deathmatch. Like always. Team and then airplane. Air. This one. I was playing it, so I like it a lot. Why? Why? I failed to run. Let me try again. But I have internet. Finally. Airborne attack. Okay, there we go. Tap weapon. Whoa! Who just shot there? Oh, somebody's reloading. Oh shit! What is happening? Come on. Come on, there we go. So, yes. As you can see, I can buy... Are you serious? As I was saying, is that you can buy fireworks. And look. I like better the other one. That one. That one. And this. Yes, you can buy fireworks. Different types of fireworks. So I like normal fireworks. So yeah. Oh, somebody just shot a mini cannon. Okay. I suck. Why do I always have to die? You punk. What the? You get off, friend. Please. Please get off. Get off me. Finally. Oh shoot. Dude, Santa, we're a team. We're an airplane. I said that guy. Shoot him. He's going away. I can't move, so I have to throw a bomb. Huh. Bad. Huh. Huh. Why can't? Look at the little ankle. Look at that little jack point. I can't move. Somebody kill me, please. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It is a glitch. Kill me. Please, I beg of you. Thank you. Nobody killed me, but thank you. Whoever got me out. Okay. Seriously? That's how we do it? There's a whole airplane of ours. And we're just fighting. Nobody just cares that there's enemies attacking. You piece of a bitch! Okay. Let's go again. Very hard. Let me buy this ammo. Son of a bitch. Okay, never mind. Let's get into... Can I just kill one? Please, I beg of you. I want to kill one. Hey, out. It's very hard. I'm not kidding. It's very hard. I am. Well, 2 persons are in the server. He's serious. 4. Look at that weirdo. Can I kill him? I would just... What? I shot him? When there's a skull on the bottom, that means I killed him. Yeah. Finally, 1 kill in 1 video. You can't kill me. I'm in a glitch. So I can't move. You can't see me. I'm John Cena. No. Never mind. Let's do team. Do a firework because we died. Invincible. Yes, I'm not invincible. I believe I can fly dead. Look how many people want to go on this side. Please. There. There. Oh, finally, people joined. Stop. Stop punching me with the stupid knife. Just a little bit. Cut me a little bit of hand. And, oh, Jesus Christ. You saw his hand? It was like wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Let's take out the Christmas AK-47. And the hell is he? What? Why do I get killed a lot? Jesus. What do you want from me, huh? For my stupid body or what? Death ray. Finally.
Available on this line.
Shut up! I'm trying to make a video on YouTube. Okay, fine, you can talk. Yeah. It's impossible to do this. Even airplanes. This is a first airplane. As you can see, this glitch where I can throw snowballs outside and I'm in the window and nobody can shoot me. That's fine with me. Oh yeah, baby. Kill that stupid guy. Kill him. Why can't I kill him? Why? Yeah, killed him.
Okay.
Shut up. Trying to make a video. You just shut up, Piso. Oh, why did I say Piso in the thing? Never mind. I hit it. You won't. Oh, kill her. Yeah, fine. Some more fireworks. You see in the right, you click those little bullets. 5 minus. They give you fireworks. Whoa, what is happening? Please don't tell me that's a... It's a good guy. No, 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 no. I might have to jump. But it's my only chance. Oh, I'm in the wind, yeah. Yeah. Peace off. R.I.P. Why? Very terrible at this game. Look, he's still alive. Okay, fine. Want this? Okay. Why did he kill me, Legend? I'm stuck again. Well, I'm stuck again. Oh, it's a stupid guy. I need to get out. What up, blood? Get out. Why is everybody killing this guy? Okay, in the wing. In the wing. The wing. Firework. Yes. I like fireworks. Anyway, let's go to my menu. I cannot purchase anything. Because I don't have enough coins. Let's go over here. Yes, level up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over here. Let's go back. Can we go to slots? Yeah, boy. Oh. Christmas. Why? Fine. Jesus. I need to get something better. Oh, wait, good. Let me see if I can buy something. The weapon shop. I don't want that candy cane, please. Like the guns. And there is something over here. There we go. $80. Why? Fine, I'll buy this stupid candy cane knife. Whatever it is. Quit. Fine, I took my bomb. But I need my bomb. I need my bomb! Jesus. What did I do now? Appreciate sale. Why? Cancel. Why? Even you candy cane? What did I buy you for? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Right, little man? Oh yeah. Okay. We'll go over here. Let's go to Christmas. Oh yeah, baby. Daily customize. Gems. Thank you very much. And over here. Slots. Why? Why do we need a lot of gifts? Why? Anyway, let's go to battle. Leave a like or comment if you want land or airplane again, because I can do another video. Okay. Murders. But today I'm making an airplane. So yeah. Wait, no. Airplane. There we go. Why? I need air battle. Fine. Now, with my ultimate candy cane, I'm gonna take over the world with my little candy cane. Stop shooting! Now, bitches, stop shooting! Thank you. Okay. So, let's go. My candy. Why? With my candy cane, I'll rule the world. Peace off, bitch. I've had candy cane. What do you want from my candy cane? I have a candy cane. What do you want from your candy cane? Oh yeah. Look at my candy cane wiggle. Wiggle like a boss. Throw fireworks. Hallelujah. Anyway, guys, it's trying to run out of time in this video. So I hope you enjoy and Death Guide 2. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.